Okay, hi. Today I'm going to show you how to run some of the PyMS tools that we have set up in Yabi. So as you can see, I'm logged into Yabi here and I'm on the design screen ready to go. So the first thing I'm going to do is run up two different workflows, and I'm going to use the the data files that are supplied on the PyMS website, and I'm going to run two workflows through and compare the results, pairwise alignment within each of those groups, and then align across those groups. So let's get started. First up, I'm going to drag in the select file tool, and then I'm going to find my files, which I've got in here. So here they are. These CDF files are the ones that are on the PyMS website for download. So my first group, I'm going to grab those three files there, as in the example from the PyMS website. Then I'm going to start adding tools, and I'm going to in this case I'm just going to pre-process and then straight away deconvolve, but you can of course add in filtering and so on if you want to. So I'm going to drag this tool here in, and now the new tools are appearing here. I'm going to add in create experiment, which will take the results from this and create experiment files. And then once I've done that, I'm going to do the alignment within the group. So if I drag that over here, you can see this showing red here because I need to add something. In this case I need to add a label. So I'm just going to call this group 1. This is an arbitrary label, you can call it whatever you want. But just so I can find it easily as well, I'll call this one, maybe I'll call it PyMS group 1. So then I'm all set to go. You can see in here, of course, you can show all your options in here to change various settings along the way. In the alignment within the group, if I go show all options, you can choose whether or not you want to use the common ion quantitation. So you can do that just by checking this if you need to. So that's all set up and ready to run. I'm going to hit go. That'll start working away straight away, and now I'm going to hit reuse so that I can use the same workflow on the second group. So I'm going to go in here, it's all set up for me. All I need to do is find the files again, go in here and choose the second lot of files. So in this case it's these ones, 140 through to 142. Now this is all set up, shouldn't need to touch anything. Well, actually I can make a couple of changes. I can call it group 2, and I should really change this one as well to group 2. So now I'm ready to go. Hit run there, and off we go. Okay, so here we are. I've waited a little while and my jobs are finished. So I can come in here and I can of course look at each of the individual steps and see resulting outputs for my 3 inputs, and then finally the alignment within the group. So the way we've done it is we have the resulting files, and they vary depending on whether you've used that common ion or not. And then we have this alignment file which allows us to do the cross-group alignment, which we'll do in a moment. So my other group, of course, is very similar. I can look in here, got the 2 output files and an alignment file. So I've done my alignment within each of those groups, and now I'd like to do the alignment across the group. So I'm going to go to design. What I can do there is I'll call this one PyMS align across, and then I'm going to select my file. Now I can go in here and find the jobs that I've already run. So let's find PyMS. I've got plenty of jobs that I've done. PyMS group 1, and go to that final alignment and get that align file, and then do the same again and look down to PyMS again and go into group 2 and final result again and get the alignment file. So we've got group 1 alignment, group 2 alignment, and now we're going to go PyMS align across group. So I'll put that in there, and we can call this group 1 and 2, or anything you want, of course. So once you're ready to go, that's all you have to do in this one. You can turn on ions again if you want, or other options, and then hit go. Okay, here's the final result. It's run right through the alignment across group. So now we click on that and we see our resulting files. We can come across to the green arrow beside the file name and download that to open it in Excel.